students, I am Monica Sharma. Welcome in my channel Education Classes Monica Sharma. How are you students? I hope you are fine. In last class I discussed class 11th meaning of accounting. Today I am discussing class 11th objectives of accounting. First objective of accounting is to keep systematic record of business transactions. Second is to calculate profit and loss. Third is to ascertain the financial position of the business. Fourth is to provide information to various parties. Now we will discuss these objectives in detail. First is to keep systematic record of business transactions. Here question is that what is the way to keep the record systematically? To keep the record of transactions systematically, first we record in journal or subsidiary book, then posted in ledger. About journal or subsidiary book and ledger, we will discuss these related chapter in detail. Second is to calculate profit and loss. A businessman want to know he earned profit or suffered loss during a particular period. For this purpose, a accountant prepared trading and profit and loss account. Account we can denote A/C also. Okay, it means also account. Revenue greater than expenditure, a businessman earned profit. Revenue less than expenditure, a businessman earned loss. In simple language, revenue means income and expenditure means expenses. Okay. If revenue is 60,000, expenditure is 30,000, then businessman earn profit 30,000. If expenditure is 20,000, revenue is 18,000, then businessman suffered loss 2,000. It's clear? What is to ascertain the financial position of the business? What is to ascertain the financial position of the business? With the help of trading and profit and loss account, the businessman able to know profit or loss of the business. The businessman must also know the financial health of the business. Okay. For this purpose, he prepare balance sheet. What will he prepare? He prepare balance sheet. It shows liabilities and capital and their amount on one hand, assets and their amount in second. Here is a question, what is a balance sheet? A balance sheet is actually a screen picture of the financial position of the business. Financial position means wealth of business enterprise. Okay, this word would know the following by looking at balance sheet. First is how much the business has to recover from debtors. Here question is that who are debtors? Debtors are the person who owe an amount to the enterprise for goods sold or service provided of them. Okay. Pronounce this word is debtors, not a debtors. Debtor is a wrong pronunciation and debtor is a right pronunciation. Okay, clear? Businessman sold goods on credit 50,000, cash received 25,000. How much the business has to recover from debtors? That is 25,000. Remain money 25,000 is debtors amount. It is how much the business has to pay to creditors. Here question is that who are creditors? Creditors are the persons who are to be paid an amount by the enterprise for buying from them goods or service on credit. Businessman purchased good on credit 80,000. He paid the money 50,000. Remain money is 30,000. How much the business has to pay to creditors? That amount is 30,000. This amount is creditors amount. Okay. How much the business has in the form of cash in hand, cash at bank, closing stock, fixed assets. Cash in hand. Money the business had in the form of cash, cash at bank. Cash at bank means money deposited in bank. Closing stock means the value of goods lying unsold at the end of the accounting year. Fixed assets refer to those assets which are held for continuous use in business and not meant for resale. Example, building, plant, furniture, machinery, computer, motor vehicles, etc. Last objective of accounting is to provide information to various parties or accounting users. In last class, I discussed about accounting users. Various parties or accounting users are same. Various parties or accounting users like owners, investors, creditors, banks, employees and government authorities, etc. The information helps them in taking sound and judicious decision about the business entity. If you have any problem, ask me in comment. If you want to watch my last video, meaning of accounting, link provided in description. With the help of link, you can watch that video. Like my channel, subscribe my channel, share my videos. After subscribing my channel, press the bell icon to get to my next videos. Okay, bye bye.